Hey Home Chef, welcome to the Walk Life. I'm Will and this is my playground. In this Just Trader Joe's episode, I'm going to make Bucatini Carbonara. Carbonara is one of the things I love to make the most, and Bucatini apparently is one of the best pasta to use it with because, I don't know, it's like a straw, so all the sauce can go inside. And happened to find Bucatini in Trader Joe's, so I'm gonna try it out today. Parmesan, eggs, and I know usually uses guanciale, but I'm still gonna keep on using thick cut bacon for today's carbonara. We're starting off with water and we can boil the bucatini and we can prep the rest. So we're gonna do medium heat on the pan. Doesn't have to be very hot because it will help to render the fat from the bacon. So we're gonna just cut the bacon into little strips or big strips, however you want. They don't need to be crispy, they just need to be a little bit tender still, so it gives a very nice mouthfeel when you're eating it with the pasta. A little bit of olive oil to help render the fat. You don't have to wait for it to fully heat up to go in there. Nice sizzle. While the bacon is rendering away, we can prepare our sauce. It's a very, very creamy sauce, but surprisingly, there's no cream in there. It's just the Parmesan cheese. I'm using 2 eggs for today's serving. We're just gonna scramble it a little bit. And there's a shell in there. Oh, well, that's okay. Just mixing the Parmesan. You can grate it yourself, but I'm feeling a little lazy today. I like to just get to a nice thick paste, and that's a really good consistency. You can always add a little bit more if you like. And now I like to get a little bit of black peppers in there. I don't tend to add salt, just because you get the saltiness from the Parmesan and the bacon as well. For me, that's enough. It's a really fatty bacon today, so a lot of fat has rendered. I'm gonna drain it out a little bit and then use it for stir-frying vegetables or whatnot. The pasta is almost al dente, which is great, so I do want it in the pan a little bit. I don't like to drain it. I would just like to bring it in like this. It will bring the right amount of pasta water into the sauce. Just gonna swirl around to let the bucatini soak up all the bacon fat before we transfer it into the mixture. Now it's ready. A lot of time people worry about using carbonara, like dumping the egg into it because it scramble it. What I like to do is instead of bringing it into the hot pan, I bring the pasta into the sauce instead. And that way it will not scramble it. Just bring a little bit. And I'll bring in the rest. Give it a nice toss. It's very, very smooth, very, very sticky because of the cheese and the egg mixture. I'm ready for a little taste, a little swirl. Or not. Or runs away. I need a spoon. Eat like American. Just the right texture of the noodle. The sauce is everywhere. It's amazing. And maybe I'm mixing a little bit of bacon in the bite. I think I was too timid. I really need a spoon. I'll use a fork. How about that? Okay. The bacon is right. just love how everything turns out. I'm gonna plate it as well. Just put it in the middle. A little twist, a little fancy. Maybe a little bit extra Parmesan at the top. Why not? There you go. That's your Bucatini Carbonara. I hope you enjoy. Simple dish, comes together in about 15 minutes. Until next time, keep on cooking. Thank you for sticking around till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video, the recipe, and also get to try out a little bit. Feel free to join the community, leave your comments or suggestions down below. Any new ideas for a new recipe you want me to try or want me to test out, happy to do it here for you. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe so you can always hear the latest from me. Thank you for dropping by The Wok Life. You got like applause.
You get to laugh at the.
Ha 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 ha.
When he makes a pun.
I don't think I make puns. I don't think I make puns. I don't think. Okay.
Or did he make a mistake?
I do make.
Blooper reel.
Yes. At the end of every episode. You would know if you watch my video.
What? The bloopers.
Oh, okay. Just the bloopers. All right. The pasta is just a little. Gotta do that again.